Thousands of people gathered at the Greater Philadelphia Expo Center for the 3rd annual Philly Home and Garden Show, an event featuring over 200 vendors looking to promote their business and present their expertise on how to better homes. This spot is brought to you by the Kimberton Conference Center. Many different types of companies made an appearance at the show, ranging from air cleaning systems to professional organizers.
How's your organizing ability?
I would say it's above average.
And even Gourmet Party Dip Providers. We sat down with Assistant Show Manager Jenna Naffin to talk about some of the motivations behind having a show like this.
The Home and Garden Show is really important this time of year because spring is on its way. Many people are looking to start pricing out their jobs for the future months, whether it's landscaping or kitchen and bath or any exterior work. A lot of them like to get started in March or April, so we feel like this is a great time of year to start looking at those things.
Home and garden shows bring a lot of local homeowners out to the same area, and it's great for businesses because they get to meet so many potential customers in a short amount of time.
Okay, so you guys need a brochure,
Some of the highlights of this year's show included a fully furnished smart home, a beer garden, and a series of craft workshops led by do-it-yourself experts. Be sure not to miss out on next year's show, running from February 15th to the 17th. For Voxy Pop, I'm Troy Johnson.